In this next topic, let's briefly explore the history of language models and artificial intelligence. Language models are a specific type of AI that focuses on predicting or generating human language. AI, on the other hand, is a broader term that encompasses various approaches to creating intelligent systems, including language models. Early research and development in the 1950s marked the beginning of the exploration of natural language processing and language models. During the initial development of algorithms for natural language processing, the early research focused on developing algorithms and techniques for processing and understanding natural language. The researchers aimed to create models that could simulate human-like language understanding and generation. Another area of focus in the early research was machine translation, where researchers explored techniques for translating text from one language to another. However, these early machine translation models were limited by the lack of sufficient training data and the complexity of natural language. The early language models had several limitations, such as the inability to handle complex sentence structures, ambiguous language, and context-dependent meaning. These limitations were due to the lack of large-scale datasets, computing power, and advanced deep learning algorithms that we have today. However, the early research paved the way for the development of modern language models and natural language processing techniques. Advancements in language models from the 1990s to the 2000s saw significant improvements in the field of natural language processing. The 1990s and 2000s saw the emergence of deep learning and neural networks, which revolutionized the field of natural language processing. These techniques allowed for more complex and sophisticated language models that could learn and represent the patterns and structure of language more accurately. Researchers developed improved algorithms for text generation and sentiment analysis, allowing language models to generate human-like language and accurately identify sentiment in text. These advancements were driven by the availability of large-scale datasets and the development of more sophisticated deep learning algorithms. The advancements in deep learning and improved algorithms led to the development of more sophisticated language models, such as recurrent neural networks, RNNs, and long short-term memory, LSTM, models. These models were able to capture the dependencies between words and sentences and generate more fluent and coherent language. Additionally, these models laid the groundwork for the development of even more advanced language models in the following decades. The rise of large language models in the 2010s and 2020s refers to the development and deployment of language models that are trained on massive amounts of text data using cutting-edge deep learning algorithms. These models can generate human-like language and complete various language tasks, such as translation and summarization, with remarkable accuracy. The rise of large language models is also due to the development of cutting-edge deep learning algorithms, such as transformers, which have significantly improved the accuracy and efficiency of language models. These algorithms have enabled the creation of models with hundreds of millions or even billions of parameters, leading to unprecedented performance on language tasks. One of the key features of large language models is their ability to pre-train on massive amounts of text data, allowing them to learn the structure and patterns of language. This pre-training enables the models to be fine-tuned for specific tasks and domains, making them highly versatile. GPT-3 and BERT are two of the most well-known large language models, introduced by OpenAI and Google, respectively. These models have been able to achieve impressive results on various natural language processing tasks, demonstrating the potential of large language models to revolutionize the field. Current and future applications of language models show the potential for language models to transform various fields that depend on natural language processing. The following bullet points provide more detail. Language models have already been applied in several areas, such as customer service, chatbots, machine translation, and sentiment analysis. These applications have shown promising results and have the potential to improve efficiency and accuracy in various industries. Ongoing research and development are leading to the creation of more advanced language models with expanded capabilities. For example, Models like GPT-3 are already capable of generating coherent and human-like language, and future models are expected to push the boundaries of what language models can do. With the development of more sophisticated language models, there is the potential to revolutionize the way we process and understand language. Language models could enable machines to understand and respond to natural language in a way that was previously impossible, leading to new possibilities in fields such as education, healthcare, and finance.